I wish I learned this painter's tip years ago for installing items with keyholes. Simply place the painter's tape evenly covering the keyholes. One tip is marking where each keyhole is at prior to covering it with tape, or you can also fill for it over the tape and see the outline. I place the painter's tape just slightly above the top of the narrow portion of the keyholes. A mechanical pencil works great to make a hole mark through the tape at the top of the narrow portion of each keyhole. Remove the tape and position it lower to double check that the hole marks aligns with the keyholes. Using a level, draw a straight line for your desired install height. Grab your painter's tape with the holes to the top and place the painter's tape evenly on the straight line marked on the wall. Align the hole marks on the painter's tape with your wall studs that are typically 16 inches on center. Drill the same 2.5 inch multi-purpose screws used to assemble the rack into each hole in the tape and then pull the tape off. Don't drive the screws in all the way as shown to allow them to catch in the keyhole slots. In less than 10 seconds, you can hang your wall rack or any item with keyholes with ease and know it's perfectly level as well as flush to the wall. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects as I've got plenty more cool builds coming your way.